What's going on, everyone? Charlie here. We have some interesting news out of the SEC. We have some regulation expansion outside of the United States into the French Republic. They actually have sent something to the SEC requesting basically help with regulation. So this is an order granting conditional substituted compliance in connection with certain requirements applicable to non-U.S. security-based swap dealers and majority security-based swap participants subject to regulation in the French Republic. So basically they're going to be changing or including these things in this right here. It's like a 186 page long document. They're going to be looking at internal risk management, trade acknowledgement and verification, portfolio reconciliation and dispute reporting, portfolio compression. We have trading relationship documentation as well. So those are the categories of compliance that they're going to be required to abide by. There's a ton of commenters that oppose what was happening. I'll leave it below if you want to go take a read. But basically, they're like, help us. So Section 5 is interesting. Substituted compliance for capital and margin requirements. The Commission continues to conclude that taken as a whole, applicable requirements under French and EU law subject covered entities to risk mitigation and documentation practices that are appropriate to the risk associated with their security-based swap business, and thus help to produce regulatory outcomes that are comparable to the outcomes associated with the relevant risk control requirements under the Exchange Act. So they're basically trying to apply certain criteria from the Securities and Exchange Act over to these counterparties that have security-based swaps in hopes that they help mitigate, again, this was that word mitigate, all throughout this filing, just trying to tighten the grip on some of these requirements like capital, margin, counterparty exposure, especially when dealing with security-based swaps. So just wanted to bring that to your attention. This will be, I believe, in effect. Some aspects of it are already in effect. Some come into effect in October. But this is, as far as the overall filing here or order, it should be in effect on the 2nd, which is next Monday. So anyways, wanted to bring that to your attention. SEC extending its reach over to the French Republic, looking to make some major security-based swap participants subject to regulation. So couldn't hurt, right?